The Bharatiya Janata Party's Sangam MLA has stoutly denied reports of any incident involving him and any other legislator of the party in Delhi where they were attending the party's national executive. In a telephonic conversation from Delhi with InGoa editor Anil Lad, the Sangam MLA said there's absolutely no truth in the reports and that he was peacefully attending the party's national executive in Delhi.
एक सुभाष फळदेसाय आणि कोणतरी दुसऱ्या आमदाराच्या मध्ये झगडी झाला व एक न्यूज एक अफवा जावन आसा त्या अफवेचेर कोणी विश्वास दवरचो न्हय। हांव सुखरूप दिल्ली भितर राष्ट्रीय अधिवेशन भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे आसा त्या अधिवेशना भितर आता पर्यंत आसा आणि संपादन म्हाका एक न्यूज येवपाक लागला की कितें तरी टीव्हीचेर फ्लॅश जाला ह्यो सगळ्यो अफवा आसात। ह्या सगळ्या हांव पयले फावट आयकता। कोणी चिंता करपाची गरज ना। सुभाष फळदेसाय आणि कोणाच्याच आमदारांमध्ये कसलीच बाताबाची झाली ना आणि धक्काबुक्की झाली ना काहीच झाले ना। आम्ही सगळे सुखरूप आसा हांगा राष्ट्रीय अधिवेशन अटेंड करतात।
But the opposition Congress and NCP, in an attempt to cash in on the alleged internal strife in the BJP, insisted that Faldesai was injured in a violent incident involving him and the BJP's Thivim MLA Kiran Kandolkar at Goa Niwas in Delhi. Congress spokesperson Jitendra Deshprabhu alleged that a group of BJP MLAs were consuming alcohol at Goa Niwas late into Friday night when Kiran Kandolkar and Subhash Faldesai got into a violent brawl. Faldesai was taken to Max City Hospital in Delhi's Saket area by Goa Niwas staff. Deshprabhu alleged and charged that the BJP government in Goa has unleashed Gunda Raj. He cited the Kiran Subhash brawl and the December episode in which another BJP legislator Vishnu Wagh was attacked to back his charge.
The MLA of TV constituency Kiran Kandolkar and Subhash Faldesai, again a BJP MLA, had a terrible verbal brawl. This verbal fight turned violent and both these MLAs in that public place of Goa Niwas used their fists to assault one another. Mr. Kandolkar mercilessly beat Subhash Faldesai, and as information reaches us, a full glass was hit hard on the head of Mr. Faldesai. I am sure with that hard hitting technique which Mr. Kandolkar is already very proficient in. Had Mr. Faldesai bleeding and his entire t-shirt was bloodied, and in the same condition the night staff which was available in Goa Niwas took him first to a doctor but later on moved him to Max City Hospital situated at Max, M-A-X.
Kandolkar's bitter rival and NCP State Unit President Nilkanth Halankar alleged that the MLA has a long criminal history including time in jail and conviction by a court. The incident in which he attacked Subhash Faldesai only indicates in which direction the ruling BJP wants to take the state, Nilkanth said.
18 तारीख एक महिना जाता मासत दुसरो प्रताप विक्रम आमच्या थिवी आमदारान केला। हांवें पयलीं सांगलेलें की जो आमदार लोकांनी निवडून दिला हेजी पास हिस्ट्री खूब मोठी आहा। तेणे जेल कन्विक्ट बी जाल्ल्या सगळ्यो गोष्टी भोगल्या आणि त्याच्या बरोबर कितकेशेच हड्डे जुगाराचे हे भाजयेच्या गाड्या बरोबरूय हड्डे तयार जाल्ले आहात थ्री मतदारसंघात. हो बीजेपीचो कल्चर आयज उक्तो दिसता. ह्या नादी आमी सांगला की जर आमदारूच सेफ ना जाल्यार फुडें कितें. आयज राती जेन्ना सकाळी घटना जाली थिवीचो आमदार किरण कांदोळकर हेणेन जेन्ना सुभाष फळदेसाय आपल्या बरोबरच्याक राती हेजेचेर हल्लो केलो हे दाखोवन दिता की बीजेपी आमकां खंय व्हरोंक सोदतात ते. आनी जर मनोहर पर्रीकर सीएम आसतना हें इतकें जाता जाल्यार जर मोदी प्रायम मिनिस्टर जायत जाल्यार गोंयचीच न्हू तर देशाची परिस्थिती खंय व्हरतले हें सामान्य लोकांक कांय कळचें ना. आनी निवडून दिल्ले परिवर्तन म्हणणारे आयज गोंयांक खंयच्या रस्त्यान व्हरता हेवूय कळपाक खूब हें